Hey, so today I will show you how to create custom thumbnails for your videos when you upload on YouTube. So there are two ways to create custom thumbnails. One is through the free service that I use, that is canva.com. If you have an account at canva.com, then you can create custom thumbnails free over there, and it is very easy to create custom thumbnails. There are already templates for you inside the Canva. If you do not want to use those templates, then you can choose a blank template and create your own custom thumbnail. I usually make the combination of the template, and I delete few things, and then I upload my own photos and I create my own custom thumbnails that way. And if you do not have a account at canva.com, then head over to canva.com and create your account, and over there you can create all kind of graphics for social media. You can create any kind of graphics for all social medias, such as I use for Facebook, Instagram, and mostly I use for creating YouTube thumbnail. And when once you go there, you create your account, and then in the search bar type YouTube thumbnail. That way you will have the correct dimensions. I do not remember what the dimension is, but once you put in the search bar, you will be shown the correct dimensions to create your own thumbnails from the blank template, or you can choose the already existing template and make changes in that. And you can add your own text, your own photos, and you can create custom thumbnails. So that is the one way which I have been using for many years. And recently I signed up for YouTube Buddy. YouTube Buddy is a program which is compatible when you are on YouTube. You can have that program. It is recommended by YouTube. I recently signed up with YouTube Buddy, and you can create custom thumbnails inside YouTube Buddy too. It is very easy to create custom thumbnails with YouTube Buddy. You are when you are uploading, you are just going to choose create custom thumbnail, and you can create right over there while you are uploading custom thumbnails, or you can create beforehand when you log into your YouTube Buddy account, and you can create your custom thumbnail and prepare it, and when you are uploading the video, then you can use it. Or once you have uploaded, then even you can change your custom thumbnail, change your templates, etc. If you do not have YouTube Buddy account, I will put a link for my YouTube Buddy to sign up. Obviously, when you sign up through my link, I will make some commissions, but whatever, wherever, whichever place you sign up with YouTube Buddy, you are going to have a option to create your own thumbnails. And I like the colors in the YouTube Buddy templates, because there are a lot of colors to use. I like all the different neon colors. I have used some of them recently, and I have a feeling that I am getting more views with YouTube Buddy custom thumbnails and their colors. So these are the two ways I use to create custom thumbnails. And before, I used to have studio program or studio app on my iPhone, and I would right away create custom thumbnail over there. I will just use the same video thumbnail and just put the writings over there. But now I am not using that anymore. There are I bet there are a lot of different ways to create custom thumbnails, but these are the two ways which I have been using recently. Mainly I use Canva, that is free. You can create your account for free, you don't have to pay a dime. But YouTube Buddy, you have to pay either yearly or monthly. I have paid around $69 for 1 year with the discount and everything. So I will put the link. If you like, you can join YouTube Buddy, and then you can create your custom thumbnail. It's very easy, easier than Canva. These are the two ways. So subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and get my videos in your inbox when you hit that bell button. And do let me know how you are creating, which app you are using to create your custom thumbnails. So see you again guys with another video, and let me know if you have any questions and any topic, then I will create video on that. And do not forget to comment on my video. That gives me motivation to make more videos, and that makes me happy too when I connect with you guys. So have a great day. Bye.